Hello. Today we'll learn how to sign up as a uParcel delivery agent. First, download the uParcel mobile app for iOS and Android. Launch the app and allow notifications to receive job alerts. Fill in your details and tap Register as Delivery Agent. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Available Jobs screen. Tap on the menu button in the top left corner. Then navigate to My Profile. Tap on your profile icon and upload a photo of yourself. Now, select your delivery mode. You can deliver by car, bike or even public transport. Choose whether you wish to work part-time or full-time. You'll also have to provide your IC and bank details. Salary for your completed jobs will be transferred to your bank twice a month. Now tap Save, and start the agent quiz. Once you've passed the quiz, just wait 1 to 2 days to be verified. Good luck!